Snatch Squad. It is officially April 20th, so you know what that means. We are officially on day 1 of the 6-week challenge. I am about to do my I just woke up, so you know you like this when you first wake up. It's my sleeping club. I'm like obsessed with pajamas, so I have like literally, one day I'll show you, I have so many pairs of pajamas, it's like kind of ridiculous. But anyways, I'm about to do my weigh-in, so I'm gonna take y'all with me to the scale. My sleeping schedule has been so messed up with this corona stuff. I kind of want to do, actually, hold on y'all, I'm gonna have to, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. You know, you have to do your measurements when you're lightest, and that's when you first wake up, you know. So I'm gonna put the camera right here so you guys can kind of see. Let me stand on it. 215. This one is 215 as well. So let's switch it so you can see really fast. 215, 215. Okay, y'all. So that is my starting weight. I'm hoping to be under 200 by the end of this 6-week challenge. So that means I have to lose 16 pounds, because if I lose 15 then I'll be at 200. I lose 16 to be under 200. So that's my goal, and let me know what y'all goal is, and I will weigh in on Saturday to see how much progress I made. Okie dokie, bye. What's up guys, it's your girl Celeste Renee, and I am back with the same video. I'm just doing my weigh-in for today. So yes, the lighting is gonna be a little bit off because I have all the lights off in my apartment and I'm just not trying to turn them on. So it's Saturday morning. It is, oh, what is today? Dang y'all, all the days are just starting to like turn into the same day. The 25th. Okay, today's the 25th, and I'm about to do my weigh-in. You remember I said that we're gonna weigh in every Saturday, so I'm about to do my weigh-in, and let's go. This camera says 214, and let me do this. I guess I'll just weigh myself holding this one. And this one says 214.6. I did this one holding the camera, so that might, I don't know if the camera's gonna do that big of a difference, but yes, so I am 214. I'm gonna go with the lightest one. I am down to 214. I honestly, guys, don't even remember what the starting weight was for the first one. I think I was at 217, 215. So I've lost either 1 pound this week or 2 pounds this week. I don't know. I'm sweating because I literally just finished a workout. So yeah, now I'm about to go do a bike ride. But this was the first week, guys. Let me know how the first week went for you all. I think I was still getting into the swing of things. I had, towards the end of the week, my meal prep. I only meal prep for Monday through Wednesday, and I normally do the whole week. So with me, when I don't meal prep, I go off. Like, I'll just like cook something. And then the other thing that I noticed is like, I haven't really been hungry. I guess because I'm like sitting at home more. And so like, I'm not really using as much energy as I would if I was like at work, walking around and things like that. So I'm not really hungry, so I'm only eating 2 meals a day. I don't know, guys. So I'm still working through it, trying to figure out something that works for me. But hey, any losses is losses. Like I said, guys, we're not trying to be too hard on ourselves during this challenge because, you know, given the circumstances, Miss Corona, she has, you know, been out here destroying lives. So, you know, we're just trying to make sure we stay active, do the best that we can. So I'm gonna try to go a little bit harder this week coming up for week 2. I wanna at least see 2 pounds lost this week, but this upcoming week, but if it doesn't happen, like I said, we're not gonna be stressing ourselves out. Just do the best that you can. So let me know how you guys can't even talk. Let me know how you guys this first week went, how much you lost, what your goals are. Put it in the comments. Don't forget to hashtag the snatched snack squad. I know some of you guys are like, what are you saying? It's the snatched snack squad on Instagram, and tag me in your post if you work out or do anything at the Celeste Renee. It helps me keep motivated when you guys send me your stuff, so keep doing that. And I'm gonna do a meal prep video this week too. I did my measurements on the first day of the challenge, so I'm gonna upload that, and let's see how week 2 goes. Bye guys.